Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video, I will show you how to have multiple Roblox account open at once. So let's go. And as you can see, I'm here at roblox.com. Now, the first thing you're going to do is make sure you are logged out of your account and make sure you do know your password or have it written down somewhere. And you can log back in later. So what we want to do is come across this website, werdevs.net. And it's going to take you across the page like this. From here, what you're going to do is download this one, the multiple games. And here, if you want to click the download button, and it will be downloaded. And make sure to download this. And then we're going to open it. And it's going to be look like this. You just need to make sure this is open first of all. So what you're going to do next is go ahead and go back into roblox.com and then go ahead whichever game you want to. So I'm going to choose these doors. And as you can see, I'm already here. So what I'm going to do is minimize this one for now. And what you want to do is go back here in roblox.com and click on the settings and click log out. And we will open another account, which is my other account. And just back log in. So once you go ahead and log into other account, you can see that I'm already logged in. Open the game and just play it. And just open the Roblox. As you can see, we have it both open. So that's it. That's how you open multiple Roblox account at once. So that's it. I hope that you learned something in this video helps, and have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!